Hello everyone, this is me Bikram Adhikari and you are welcome to our YouTube channel AdrisyaTech. In this video tutorial, I will be sharing you how to install multiple open source software in your computer at once. Without any delay, let's begin. In order to install multiple softwares at once, just go to your browser and then open the link ninite.com. In the ninite.com, you have to select the required applications. Here, let's say the required application for me are Blender, let's say BLC, and I am selecting other softwares like 7zip. I have selected 3 softwares. Now, what you have to do is go over here in step 2, download and run the custom installer. Just select Get Your Ninite. Once you select that, then you have to save the installer. I have saved it. Now, let's open this installer. Once you open it, press yes. Blender, 7zip, and another software, they are downloading and installing in your computer. All my selected softwares are now installed. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you have any queries, please drop them in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel